Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Chill everything first. Place the stainless steel whipped cream dispenser, 1 or 2 and 2.0 chargers, and the mixing bowl in the refrigerator so the canister and cream reach 35 degrees F to 40 degrees F. Measure 2 cups heavy cream, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 1 TSB vanilla extract directly into the chilled canister. Do not overfill, leave the fill line marked on the canister empty. Choose heavy cream with 36% fat or higher. Avoid low-fat or ultra-pasteurized creams because they won't whip properly. Assemble the dispenser. Pour the measured cream mixture into the canister, seal the head, and screw in a single N2O charger for a 500 ml canister, or 2 chargers only for larger 1-liter canisters. Puncture the charger by screwing the holder until you hear gas release, then shake the canister vigorously 8 to 10 times to incorporate gas evenly. To dispense, hold the dispenser upright, test a short burst into a bowl, and squeeze slowly to produce stable peaks without over-aerating or splattering. Store whipped cream properly. Keeping it refrigerated inside the sealed canister preserves texture for up to 24 hours or transfer to a sealed container for up to 48 hours. If the cream appears grainy, watery, or separates, chill the canister 15 minutes and shake again. A brief additional charge can help, but discard if separation persists. For safety and maintenance, use only food-grade N2O chargers, never CO2. Depressurize before opening, remove the gasket, and wash all parts with warm, soapy water after each use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.